Welcome to the third and last revision exercise tutorial. This is the starter script that I submitted alongside the assignment, which you can use to start, but I will dedicate this first part to a revision on how to model such surfaces in Rhino. So I start with creating a rectangular plane surfaces, actually one surface, so create a single surface anywhere. This is the basic version of it, nothing special. And I want to modify it somehow. I want to add a slight curvature to both of those surfaces. So the first thing that I would do here is I would like to rebuild it. Why? Because I want to move the control points of that surface to alter its shape. And if you turn on the control points using that command, control points on the sidebar, or by pressing F10 button, you will see that you only have, by default, you only have 4 control points. This is the simplest surface that you can have. So how to rebuild it? The rebuild command is in Surface Tools in the cascade. This is this icon with a small person hitting a surface with a hammer. So yeah, you can use that. You can alternatively just type in rebuild and select the surface, confirm the selection, and this is the dialog box that appears. So here you can control the number of control points and the degree of a surface. As you remember, the first degree surface will be it will have straight segments in both directions, and we want to have a curved surface, so degree 3 will be what we want here. By the way, in parentheses near the directions you have the previous values. So I suggest I will go with 7 by 7 point count and degree 3 in both directions. Press OK and turn on the control points again. So now we have more control points on that surface, and editing its shape is quite simple. So you just select the control points that you want to move. And since this is a flat surface, I will just move those points upwards or downwards here and there to create a different shape. I want one surface to be more or less simple, and the next one will be more, it will be more edited, let's say. It will have a different shape, so I will copy that using the gumball. So I'm selecting a surface, dragging by one of the arrows of the gumball, and hit the Alt button to start or to enter the copy mode. And this is another surface, and once again select the new surface, the copied one, F10, and move the control points again, just a little more. Turn off the control points, and here you are. This is basically how I created those two surfaces, which are internalized in the starter script that I gave you.